To Sir Carlo and Carlo Silva Films team, Sir Ai, Sir Jason, Sir Kel ba to? And Sir Paul, thank you for the amazing AVP and sa SDE. Your work made me feel confident and beautiful in front of the camera. Sobrang na-enjoy ko po yung journey ng pag-photoshoot natin kanina. Actually, hindi ako sanay sa harap ng camera but sobrang naging confident ako din and naging masaya talaga yon and ang gandang experience para sa akin. So, thank you po. Ayun, again, thank you for making me feel confident and beautiful in front of the camera, capturing a beautiful moment in my life that I will cherish forever.